Hey guys, it's Karen G, the truth teller. I'm at Wadi World, as you would say, Walmart. I'm here today, and these are some cute dresses. Free assembly for $34. Oh, this is to die for. $34. And then you got these are too cute. Oh my gosh. And I don't usually come to Walmart a lot, but I came in today to get a couple of items. And this is cute. And then I also grabbed this one. This one is very cute. $24 on the clearance. Tell me if it's not that cute. It's cute. Loving it, loving it, loving it, loving it. Come to Walmart and grab you one. Stay blessed and stay true to yourself.